previous versions, you couldn't save this kit assembly if you didn't have the components in stock. So that made it difficult, right, from an inventory planning perspective. This didn't create a demand. It was really had to be handled completely separate and manually. So now I can have components that I don't have in stock, both for serialized and non-serialized. And the serialized features what they just added to this version, where I can add a serialized item where I don't have the location or the serial number for because I don't have it in stock. I can now add that to my kit assembly and go ahead and save that. And when I go into my prepare replenishments, you're going to see that it creates a demand based off of this. So it says here, it's in wholesale. Take this off. Okay. Here are the two non-serialized components where I actually had some min-maxes set on that one. And then I have the machine, which I didn't actually have the min-max quite set up, but you can see that it's in here and it's showing the demand. Let me just go ahead and find that. So here's my demand from that kit assembly transaction. So again, for those of you that are doing kits where you don't always have your components in stock, now that Acumatica can handle the ability to create that kit assembly that would contain both non-stock and, I'm sorry, non-serialized and serialized items that will help with your demand planning.